Hi students, my name is Nitesh. Shet. I am from Mannavara. So last class we discussed about a topic from 8th standard, that is exponents and powers. In exponents and powers we already discussed about what is meant by exponents and negative exponent we introduced, and then we discussed about laws of exponents. So today we have to discuss about some of the exponents to express the very large numbers and very small numbers. That is, so here we already know about expressing the very huge number. So sometimes we have our distance between earth and the moon, sometimes we have the distance between the earth and the sun. So at that time very long numbers it's appear. So in the first class, in the first video, we expressed the huge number, and that one we express as a case of exponents. It is possible. But here, when we have a small numbers, very small number, very minute particles, at that time, so we have to take some of the negative exponents. For example, we are dealing with some of the units, that is millimeter, mm or centimeter we are calling. So in case of millimeter, we are taking 10 raised to minus 3 meter. And in case of centimeter, we are taking it as a 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So likewise we are taking. So that is, here we are expressing, we are using the exponent to express very large number, very smallest numbers, very small numbers. When we have a large numbers, very usual numbers, then we can take positive exponents. When we have the smaller numbers, very smaller things, then we have some numbers we have to express in the form of negative exponents. So that is, to express, here we have to express the numbers. So express the small numbers. Express the small numbers. For example, so we have 0.012, 0.012 we have. So here just observe, we have a 0.012, it is, we have, but it's not a right form, that is, it's in the decimal part, 12 is in the decimal part. So we can take 12 also, 12 we can take, but we have to multiply with some of the exponents. We have to multiply with some of the exponents here. That is, so here we have to transpose the things. So that means here we want 12 means, so here we have to take some of the negative exponents. That is, so here we have to take 1. Here we have to jump 1. Here we have to jump 1 means, so we have to take 10 raised to minus 1. So then automatically 2 appears here. And then here we have to jump 1 here. So it becomes, after that 2 comes here. That is, here it becomes 1.2. Then we have to take another minus 1. So for each jump we have to take minus 1 here. So then here we want 12 means, here we have to jump here. Here 1 comes here and 2 comes here. In place of 0 we have 2 comes here. So then at that time we have to add minus 1. So likewise we have to add. Here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. It becomes minus 3. It becomes 12 into 10 raised to minus 3 here. So likewise we are taking the exponents to express the very smallest term. That is here 0.012. So this is initially 0.012. So here jumping. So with the help of jumpings we can take the things, so which are expressed in the form of exponents. So likewise we have to take these things. So let us take some of the problems based on these things. So here we have 2 problems here. Just observe, it's in the form of decimal form, decimal numbers. So here we have some zeros between the decimal point and the number. Here we have some zeros in the between the decimal point and the numbers. So this decimal point and the numbers, like that. So here we have to express in the form of exponents. So how to take the exponent here? So here in some cases are there. If you want 3.85, so we have to pass this 3 after the decimal point. we have to pass. That means how much jumping needed we have to know. If you want to 38.5, so we have to pass this 38 after the decimal point. How much jumping is needed, so you have to verify. So that means 8 we have to pass this. Along with that one, 3 is also we can pass. So let us know that things. Okay, firstly, so I will pass 3 first. We want 3.85. 3.85 into 10 raised to. Yes, I want 3.85 means how many jumpings needed we have to know. So first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means it is 10 raised to minus 6. So we have to jump, we have to pass 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 raised to minus 6. If you want 38.5, that means we have to pass this 8 after the decimal point. That means we want 38.5 means. So how can we take that one? Here just observe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 10 raised to minus 7, like that. If we want 5's also, we have to take 385 we want here. That means how to take that one? Here just observe. Here, from here we have to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 10 raised to minus 8, like that we have to take. So let us move on to the next part. Here we want 6.85. 6.85. So into 10 raised to. So here we have to take. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means 10 raised to minus 8. Then if you want 68.5, here from 8 we have to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 10 raised to minus 9. Likewise we have to take. Then here 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 685 into 10 raised to minus 10. When we have these things, so you can write only one. So here it is a possibility. How to take that one? So we have to know. So this is the possibility of this number. Yes. So let us move on to the next set of problems. Yes. So let us move on to the next set of problems. Here there are 3 problems are there. So let us take one by one. Here just observe 3.02 into 10 raised to minus 6. So here what we have to do is, so in previous cases we did that is, so we have to jump the things. Here we have to take the number first. Here firstly you have to write the number. That is 302. Write this 302 here. And where is the decimal point here? Here is the decimal point. We have to jump the decimal point 6 times. That is, so write some zeros. So here write some zeros in the pencil. Firstly we will write some zeros in the pencil. It's a technique. So write some zeros in the pencil here. So whatever the number. Here is the decimal point. Here you have to jump decimal point 6 times in the left side of this 3. So here decimal point, here it is actually here it is 3 is a decimal point. Here we have to start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. So here we have the decimal point. Then you have to cancel these zeros. So whatever the zeros we want here, 0.000000302. Let us check that one. Yes, 3.02 we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means it's 3.02 into 10 raised to minus 6. It is available. So you can verify with the help of the previous thing. And here also we can do the same thing. So first we write 58. 58 here. So write some zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Whatever the number of the we have. So you have to write. So above 12 you can write. Yes. In the pencil only, because we have to verify first. Yes. So here 5.8 is there. Here in between 5 and 8 we have decimal point. So we have to jump 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here. Here it is the decimal point. It is required. After that we can check whether it is we get the same or not. So here we want 5.8. And how much which exponent we want here, so we have to check. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 5.8 into 10 raised to minus 12, it is available, it is possible here. So firstly you have to write the zeros in the pencil, and after that you have to rub, and then you have to write in the pen. Okay, so let us take like this. And then here the third problem is, it is positive exponent, 2.6 into 10 raised to 8 it is. So you have to write here, just here I have to write 26. Likewise you can take, but here it is positive exponents. Here it is a positive exponent. So here negative exponent, we have to insert zeros at the left side of the number. Here also it is minus 6, that's why we inserted 0 in the left side. So here what we have to do, so it is positive exponent, that's why we have to insert some of the zeros in the right side. That is, let us take some zeros here. 1, 2, write in the pencil. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. Okay, above 8 we can take. Yes, here is the decimal point. Here the decimal point moves in this direction, right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here. That means here we have to do this thing along with the decimal point. We don't require, it is not required that decimal point here. So let us check that one. So whether it takes the same. Here is the decimal point. So we want 2.6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that one is the correct. So here we need a technique. From this techniques we can easily write in the exponent form. So I hope you understood these things, and let us look at some of the things which we are having in our world. So let us look at those things. We have to take some of the exciting things here. So here just observe the distance between Earth and the Sun. So what is the distance between Earth and the Sun? This much meters. 146,149,600,000. It is very difficult to pronounce here. So that's why, so we can easily pronounce with the help of exponents. How to take that one? So here just observe, already we know that one. So how to take that one? Here is the decimal point. Observe here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here up to 8. So we can take it as a 1 point like this. 8, 9, 10, 11. So that is 1.496. 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. Likewise we are taking here the speed of the light. That means in 1 second, so light has the ability to reach this much distance, this much meters. How much it is? 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros are there in front of 3. So we have to look at that one. So it is not only the 3 lakh kilometer, it is actually 3 lakh kilometer, it comes like a 3 lakh kilometers. So here we have to express in the form of exponent. That is 3 we have here, so we have a decimal point here, so let's take that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So in per second, so the light is ability to travel 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter. It is easy to pronounce, but here it is difficult to pronounce. It's also difficult to pronounce. It's also difficult to pronounce here. And then thickness of the copper wire. That means copper. This we are calling copper. We are using in our electricity. So that means the copper we are already using. So that thickness, the thickness is 2 millimeter. That is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So 10 raised to minus 3 is also exponent. As here just observe 0.016 centimeter. That means thickness of the paper. We already know about paper. So paper thickness is 0.016 centimeter we have. So here it is also in the form of decimal places. Here we have a centimeter. So let us combine here. That is, here we have a decimal point. We have to jump like this: 1, 2, or 3, 16. It comes 16. Or you can pass here. You can pass this 6 after the decimal point, or 1 you can pass through after the decimal point. Whatever. I will pass only 1 after the decimal point. 1, 2. That is 10 raised to minus 2. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 2. Along with that one, we have centimeter. That is, centi means 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to 1.6 into here a raised to m into a raised to n. That is a raised to m plus n. That is minus 2 minus 2, 10 raised to minus 4 meter. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter we have. So these are about the expressing the small numbers and large number in the form of exponents. So I hope you understood those things and what are the techniques we use. Also you understood. So along with that one, you have to solve some of the problems based on exponents. So those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification of our channel very easily. Also hit the like button. Thank you and be safe and stay home.